Okay, y'all ready for a lecture? Talk about the importance of nothing. You get up every day, you're entitled to nothing. Nobody owes you nothing. You could have talent, but if you don't have discipline and you don't execute, you don't focus, what do you get? Nothing. If you're complacent and not paying attention to detail, what does that get you? Nothing. Nothing is acceptable but your best. So everything is determined by what you do and you trying to be your best so that you can build on positive performance. That's the only thing. There should be nothing else.